BoBo Kids. Hello everyone, I'm BoBo. Today let's learn to color a crab together. Let's get started. This crab has a red shell. There are many types of crabs in the world and they come in many different colors. They can be red, yellow, blue, brown, or black. BoBo's crab is red. Can you count how many legs this crab has? Crabs and other crustaceans have a hard covering, known as the exoskeleton. Like its relative the lobster, a crab has 5 pairs of legs. The first pair has large pinching claws that help with feeding and defense. The last pair may be broad and flattened to serve as paddles for crabs that swim. So do you know where crabs live? Crabs can be found in all oceans and in fresh water. Some crabs live on land, sometimes several miles from water. Species such as the fiddler crab live in burrows in the sand or mud, where they stay during winter and high tides. Others live within the shells of oysters or mussels. This crab looks really big, right? Crabs have broader bodies than other crustaceans. They come in a great range of sizes. Tiny pea crabs may measure less than an inch to 0.5 centimeters across, the giant crab of Japan. On the other hand, may be more than 1 foot 30 centimeters across and measure 12 feet 4 meters from tip to tip of its outstretched legs. So how do crabs give birth? All female crabs, including land crabs, must return to the water to lay eggs. The eggs are carried on the female's body until they hatch. For the blue crab, this might mean carrying some 2 million eggs at a time. Although a few baby crabs leave the egg looking like small adults, most do not. Instead, a newly hatched crab is usually a tiny, see-through, legless creature that swims at the top of the water. At this stage, the animal is called a zoea. Crabs then go through a process called metamorphosis, during which they molt shed their outside covering many times. By the end of the process, the crab has developed into its adult form. Here we have many interesting things about crabs. Let's find out together. There are over 6,793 species of crab that can be found in oceans, fresh water, or even on land. Crabs belong to a group of animals called decapods, meaning 10 legs. Also included in this group are lobsters, shrimps, and prawns. Adult crabs usually attract one another using chemical scents called pheromones. In some species, the males will release pheromones and then use their claws to fan the scents toward the female. Crabs vary in sizes. The pea crab is only a few millimeters wide and the Japanese spider crab is about 4 meters. A group of crabs is called a cast. Crabs can walk in all directions, but they mostly walk and run sideways. Yellow. Finally, let's color this leg yellow. So today we got to color and learn a lot of interesting information about crabs, right? Like and subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos.